So, ayan ma'am, upon entrance po sa left, nandito yung dining. Sa tapat ng dining table po, may window. Ayan. Dining area, living room area. Tapos, sa right po is the kitchen. So, yung kitchen is a modified kitchen countertop po. Ayan. Then, nakamatsuka tiles. So, yan yung tile finish ng backsplash niya. And then, ayan yung setup just in case. Cooking range hood. Tapos, ayan. Naka-modified din. Pati po yung sink. Ayan yung sink. Kitchen cabinets. And then, ito additional storage area. Tapos yung tiles niya po, modified din po. Pati yung tiles po, no? And then, pati po dito, naka-modified po yung tiles. Then, going to the balcony po. Coming from the living room. Ayan. So, this is yung playing space na padamihan ng sir ng halaman. Then, ang facing po niya is West Capitol Drive. Yun yung Bading Santa Catalina. Tapos, ito po yung Brixton na bridge going to BGC. Then, and po yung living room setup just in case pwedeng balik na rin. Tapos dito po yung toilet and bath naman po. So yung toilet and bath na common toilet and bath, ito po yun, naka-modified din po with glass and glass partition. Yan, shower heater. Yan, tapos dito naman po sa tabi ng door is yung washing machine or laundry cabinet. Ayan. And then, first bedroom po sa left. Ginawa po ni sir na workstation or firm home station with cabinets all over dyan. Pero ipo-pull out po ito. Hindi po kasama yan. Ayan. Tapos, second bedroom, dito po, dalawa po yung window. So, isa po dito, and then isa po dito. Okay, tapos, yun yung setup ng bed. Kasya po dito hanggang queen. Sagad po pag queen hanggang doon. Then, cabinet setup, pero pull out din po ito. Ayan, so, dito tayo sa master's bedroom po. So, sa master's bedroom, modified na fix na po yung cabinet niya. Ayan, from hanggang taas. Tapos ito yung bed setup. Ayan. Then going to the balcony po. So yung balcony is facing BGC and Quintulay. And then may toilet and bath po. Undedicated ang master's bedroom. Ayan. So ayan. So, ito po, yung shower area niya, may glass partition na rin. And then, yung toilet, water closet. Ayan. So, yun po. Ito yung unit ma'am, yung video po. Enjoy, bye-bye.